Hi everybody, this is my 10-foot John. We're out in the Bay of Gandy. It's right over there, Gandy Bridge. We're doing a little fishing today, but I got me a 30 thrust, 30-pound, 12-volt Makunzi freaking trolling motor, 5-speed. 3 in reverse, drive forward. We're gonna see how fast it pushes me out here in the bay. Yeah. All right. So one. Got a little thing going on here. Now troll it around in, I guess. Two. There's a nice little weight going on there. 3. 4. That's 5. It's pushing us pretty good. I mean,